Unit cell. Unit cell is the smallest part which is removed from the crystal lattice and which on again and again overlapping in each possible direction to form a crystal lattice. Now see, in unit cell there are total 8 corner always and 6 face. Corner 8, face 6 and edge length 12. This is a corner face edge length for unit cell, and unit cell is the smallest part which is repeating again and again. Now here after that, this unit cell are classified into three types. One is simple cube, or it is also known as primitive cell. Then body center cube, BCC, face center cube, FCC, and one more, that is end center cube, ECC. Now after this here simple cube. In simple cube there are 8 corner, 6 face and 12 edge. This is simple cube. Here 8 corner is 8, face 6, edge 12. Now here then again we are calculating number of atom per unit cell, that is denoted by Z. Here Z for simple cube, that is here that 8 corners means 8 atom are contribute to form one unit cell. Therefore 8 atoms are there, 8 corners are there, its contribution to form one unit cell, so 1 atom. So here 1 atom contributes for the unit cell 1 by 8, so that 8 atom, so 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1 atom per unit cell. Or you can say, remember in this way, 1 atom contribute 1/8 part for unit cell. Therefore 8 atom. You will get 8 into 1 by 8, that is equal to 1 atom per unit cell. This is for simple cube. In case of BCC, now see, for BCC simply unit cell are there and unit cell, in that one corner is there. Corner is 8, face 6, edge 12, and 1 atom are at the center of the body because it is in body center. So in the body center 1, so that its contribution same as here. 8 corner contribute 1 by 8 part, so 8 into 1 by 8, and 1 atom are inside the body, so its contribution become 2. 1 plus 1 2. So here for BCC, Z is equal to 8 into 1 by 8 plus 1. 8 corner to form unit cell, its contribution 1 by 8 and plus 1 which is in the body. So here you have Z is equal to 2 atom per unit cell. For FCC here, now see, unit cell are there. In this unit cell, each phase 1 atom are there, right? So here its contribution Z is equal to 8 into 1 by 8. This is for corner and its contribution, and there are 6 phase So 6 atom, and each phase contributes its half because one of the phase are overlapped by the other. So its contribution is half. So you have Z is equal to here 4 atom per unit cell. Now next part, that is here we will discuss void or holes. Void or holes are classified into three types. Again, void or holes are classified into three types. One is trigonal void. Trigonal void. Second one is tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral void. And next is octahedral void. Octahedral void. Now see, trigonal means what? This is one atom, another atom, and next atom. This is a trigonal. In case of tetragonal, in case of octahedral, one, this is trigonal. Now here this is a trigonal. Trigonal, tetrahedral, octahedral. These are the void, and here the ratio is given for this. Here octahedral is always equal to here octahedral void and tetrahedral void. Octahedral void is always n because in one octahedral void, see, this is a tetrahedral void in which two octahedral voids are there, so that here octahedral void be n and this is also be n, so whole tetrahedral void become 2n. Now here we will discuss packing. Packing are first linear packing, or you can say, in case of linear packing, you can say atoms, molecules as a sphere are arranged in one line, either x-axis, y-axis, or so this is the linear packing. Here a selected atom or sphere is touches to sphere, therefore its coordination number is 2 for linear packing. Now second, you can say square packing. In case of square packing, means here layer A repeated again and again. So what happened, one layer, this is a layer, this layer is repeated, another layer, same, all are layer A. Is it clear? Now if you select any sphere, then it touches 4 sphere, therefore its coordination number is 4, right? That is the square packing. In case of square packing, you have 4 sphere touches the selected sphere. If you join the touched sphere, you will get a square. That is the square. Clear? Now after that, third, that is hexagonal packing. In case of hexagonal packing, here layer A repeated again and again. Layer A repeated again and again. See, this is layer A I am drawing. Now then layer B, then again layer A, this is layer A, this is layer B, and this is again layer A. So here a selected sphere touches the 6th sphere, therefore it is hexagonal and coordination number is 6. So this is in case of hexagonal, you will find the vacant space, or you can say void shape is triangular, right? In case of square packing, the shape of void is in this way. So as we discuss previous topic, that is void, octahedral and tetrahedral. Octahedral here means what? The selected sphere touches the sixth sphere, so its void is very small, and that is considered as say n. But in case of tetrahedral void, when selected sphere touches the 4, then it become larger, so it is said to be 2n, because two triangular formation, so nn, so total 2n, and hence it is given tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral void, that is this shape, and that is 2n. Therefore octahedral void be triangular shape, and it is said to be, let it be n. So in this way we will calculate void as a tetrahedral and octahedral. Now after this packing, we will discuss the packing efficiency. Packing efficiency. What do you mean by packing efficiency? Simple way, packing efficiency means ability to accommodate atom, ion, sphere in a unit cell, right? So here this packing efficiency is given by, that is volume of sphere, because we are assuming atom, ion, molecule as a sphere, to the volume of cube, and it is always calculated in a percentage, so multiply by 100. So this is the formula of packing efficiency. But here we will calculate the packing efficiency of either simple cube or BCC, or you can say FCC. So here we will change with this number Z, now that is number of atom per unit cell. For simple cube, Z value is 1, BCC 2, FCC 4. So here the packing efficiency for this unit cell is said to be Z into volume of sphere to the volume of cube into 100. Clear? Now after that I am calculating simple first way, packing efficiency of simple cube. Now see, simple cube means what? Here this one at this is simple cube, only corners are there, and corners atom are touches to each other. Now here this distance is totally said to be A, that is edge length, and this edge length, and here from here it is said to be R radius, right? So on the basis of this AB as a edge, so I am writing AB is equal to A, and that is equal to 2R. Therefore A is equal to 2R, right? Edge length and R in case of simple cube, they are related as a 2R. Now in packing efficiency, here I am calculating, that is percentage packing efficiency of simple cube. For Z is equal to 1 atom per unit cell, because there is no any other atom are there in that, there is only corner, so its contribution 8 into 1 by 8, and hence इसीलिए ये क्या होगा, यहाँ पे Z का वैल्यू 1. Now see here Z1 into what is the volume of sphere? Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube upon what is the volume of cube? That is A cube into edge length, that is edge length cube, that is into 100. Now here two variable A and R, so that we are always necessary to find the relation between A and R. I am calculating here, because if you are not calculating the relation between A and R, so it is very difficult to relate here, to solve here, because two variables are there. So here you can say percentage packing efficiency of simple cube is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube upon a is equal to 2r, means 8r cube into 100. Here 4 2s are 8, r cube will cancel, pi by 6 into 100. This is the percentage packing efficiency of simple cube. In case of simple cube, you will get nearly about, that is 52.4%, means only in that unit cell 52.4% are accommodated by the atom, ion or molecule. Now next, that is packing efficiency in BCC, that is body center cube. So again, body center cube, here this is the structure of this. This is a unit cell. In this unit cell, I am drawing, this is a diagonal, and one atom are inside the body, and corner atom touches the inside atom. This is, so here this is A, and I am writing here B, and here C. Now here I am doing the construction, that is triangle ABC. Now see here, triangle ABC, angle C is said to be 90. This angle is 90. Similarly, again I am doing construction B and here P. This B and P, for here C, this angle, and from this here C is 90, and also in triangle BCP. BCP, again angle C is 90. Now in triangle ABP, here P angle is 90. So here the value AB is equal to R. So AB is equal to 4R, right? AB is equal to 4R, and BC is equal to A, edge length, and this PC also is equal to A, edge length. And here I am calculating A. First of all, see here AA. So in triangle BCP, angle C is equal to 90. Therefore BP is equal to what? BC square plus PC square. So BP is equal to root 2A. Clear? This is root 2A, because here A, this is also A. Now this is also A. In triangle ABP, angle P is equal to 90. So here angle P is equal to 90. So AB square is equal to AP square plus BP square. So here 4R square is equal to A square plus root 2A, this square. Now here on solving, 4R square is equal to 3A square, because root 2 to 3A square. Now from this 4R is equal to root 3A, therefore A is equal to 4 by root 3R. Here the relation of A and R is 4 by root 3R. So here again I am writing for packing efficiency, here is equal to Z into volume of sphere to the volume of cube into 100. So that is for Z for BCC, Z is equal to 2 atom per unit cell. So 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube upon A. A is equal to what? I am writing here A into 100. Now see, I am putting the value of A. So here 8 by 3 pi r cube upon 4 by root 3 r cube into 100. So here 8 by 3 pi r cube upon 64 by 3 root 3 r cube get cancelled into 100. So on solving this, you will get 68.32%. This is the packing efficiency of BCC. In case of packing efficiency of FCC, face center cube, as we studied, in case of BCC, 68% is occupied by the atom ion molecule as a sphere in a unit cell, means 32% is a vacant space. Now again, in case of FCC, Z is equal to 4 atom per unit cell. So here its arrangement: unit cell, in this unit cell, one atom are there on the face. So here draw a diagonal and you have a triangle ABC. Here again angle C is 90. So at the corner of A atom touches the face, here B atom touches the face. So again R, that is in triangle ABC. Now here in triangle ABC, angle C is a 90 degree. Now AC A, edge length, BC A. So here in triangle ABC, according to Pythagoras, AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. Now 4R square is equal to A square. So 4R square is equal to 2A square. So 4R is equal to root 2A. Therefore A is equal to 4R by root 2. Clear? Now, or you can say here I am writing this is A is equal to 4R by root 2. Now again I am writing the formula, that is packing efficiency is equal to Z into volume of sphere to the volume of cube into 100. 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube upon volume of cube A cube 100. Here again variable, that's why we are always calculating the relation between A and R. So here 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 4R by root 2 cube into 100. While solving this, you have 16 by 3 pi r cube upon 64 by 2 root 2 r cube get cancelled into 100. On solving this, you will get 74.28%. This is a packing efficiency of simple cube, means there are 74